Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change announcement bar and make it changing like 3 seconds, like as you can see right now, welcome to our store, and it changes to hello. So let's save it and you'll see that it changes automatically to hello. So how you can do that is basically by going to edit theme, then just you will see the sections right here on the left side, and if you click on the announcement bar right here, you will be able to edit announcement bar settings. So what we'll need to do is you click and check on auto rotate announcements and change every second, so you will set for your own preference that you like. So I set it to 3 seconds, and what we'll need to do is create a new announcement like this. And let's say I will write subscribe right here, and here I will edit another announcement to guide to everything. You'll see that it will eventually change that, as you can see, subscribe to guide to everything. And you can have as many as you like, the announcement bars like this, and write anything that you like. So right now, as you can see, it shows welcome to our store because I have the third one that says welcome to our store. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful for you guys, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.